Beautiful state today, no? Nandito tayo sa Silang, Cavite to feature this beautiful farm house for sale. But before we start, I invite you all to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Message us on Facebook and Instagram by simply pop the link below on the description box. My name is Ray and let's begin this farmhouse tour.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Good day everyone! So nandito tayo ulit ngayon sa Silang, Cavite to feature this farmhouse for sale. Anyway, so this property with a total land area of 5,000 square meters. Imagine that this property has a half-hectare property and it enclosed with perimeter fence. You have a swimming pool, you have house, you have staff house, you have a for rent, no? Estate. Anyway, so this is the main house of this farmhouse. Alright, so by the way, nandito tayo sa pinaka-living area of this house. So over here is your main door. So nagtataka kayo bakit nandito agad tayo sa pinaka-main house. No, later on, no, we will explore the whole property, including the features and fixtures of this estate. Anyway, this is your living space. So right here is your master bedroom. But before this one, we will check out your kitchen space. So over here, nice wall tile cladding design. This is something unique and napakaganda. This is a Spanish tiles finish, beautiful cladding design. And over here, you have your cute dining space. So you have here your 6-seaters dining table, and over here is your pantry space. Over here is your straight counter space with a lot of cabinets, shelves, and overhead bins, and you have a lot of shelves, by the way. And to my right side, you have here your common bathroom. Check this out. Let's go, Benji. Over here, you have your washing area, your water closet space, and your shower space with heater. So this is a farmhouse. So napakaganda nito as your holiday house or your vacation house. So if you are looking for a property dito sa Silang, Cavite, you should consider this one. Napakaganda na atmosphere dito sa property na ito. And to my right side is your master bedroom with... So this is space, kinonvert ni extension of the bedroom. But kung i-remove nyo pa itong double deck, so might be this one is your receiving area dito sa master bedroom. And over here, see, bango. Fresco. So right here you have your double size bed, your AC already with cabinetry. You have nice center lights plus a beautiful oversized window right here with a view of your backyard. Alright, exciting, This is the house. And follow me, Benji. At excited ako, to check out this property. Anyway, so they are selling this property in the market for 40 million pesos. Meron pang another spot right here. So, another bedroom with a lot of beddings. Of course, you have this double deck. So, napakaganda nito as your generated income kasi kumikita pa ito. Anyway, to give you a hint, So this property with a total income overnight for 12,000 pesos. Right. See? Guys. Wow. So this is your balcony space. Anyway, nasa second level tayo kasi over here, you have your beautiful view of the mountains, the city of Manila. See, nakikita mo dito yung lake ng Laguna Lake. And it's not to my right side, makikita niyo po yung pinaka Laguna Dibay. And to my left side is the Manila Bay. So, dito sa akin center, you will see the beautiful view of this Manila. So, nakita niyo yung mga high-rise building dito po sa Taguig, Parañaque, Pasay, Makati, Manila area, guys. Of course, no, nakikita niyo po yung breeze dito po sa area na ito. So, talaga namang airy, breezy, at napaka-cold, no? Napakalapit natin din sa stratosphere. Of course, nakita niyo napakalaking swimming pool, no? Later on, we will explore this beautiful feature of the property. Okay? Come on, Benji, and let us explore the ground level of this beautiful estate. No, let's go. Anyway, so if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit like on the bells to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Follow me, Benji, and let us explore the ground level or the loan space of this property for sale. Let's go. Nice straight staircase. Anyway, so before the turnover of this property, you know, they will refurbish the whole property. Ayusin nila, so everything na kailangan ayusin nila for the turnover. Okay? But this one is something beautiful. Anyway, so on my center, you have your park area. So, and a grotto area. You have here the water element. Nice plants, ornamental plants, by the way. So, to my left side, follow me, guys. Another spot here on the ground level of this beautiful, exciting state. Now, let's go. Anyway, so this is the ground level of this main house. You have a super wide main door. So this is a wooden element. Might be this one is a mahogany solid wood. Alright, so over here on the ground level, this is open layout property. So you have a lot of beds. No, kasi ito po is tumatanggap sila ng mga guests. Napakaganda nito for a team building or a reunion area or a family reunion or a gathering area or any events, no? Seems like birthdays, any party. All right. To my left side, you have your full kitchen space. See? Napakaganda ng kitchen space. You have L-shaped counter space, nice wall-tile cladding design. Of course, you have a lot of built-in cabinetry. Plus, you have a lot of storage spaces dito sa ilalim ng counter. So, this fridge also is included. And you have here 4 seaters, a dining table. And to my left side, you have your common... Anyway, this is a shower. So, this is a bathroom since you have a shower, exhaust, water closet, and a shower space. But the good thing over this property is you have an access here leading to your pool area, no? Let's go, Benji. Guys, see, this is the most interesting property kasi just imagine that you have a half-hectare property enclosed with fence and selling in the market for 40 million pesos. Negotiable. So if you are interested to check out and buy this estate, no, you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. No? Let's go and let us check this out. Alright, so the good thing over this property is, first is, this property is enclosed with fence. Of course, this is 10 minutes away going to Tagaytay City Market. You have a large swimming pool and you have a vegetable area, a garden space, and a lot of structure na talagang pwede pong parentahan, no? Let us check out your pool area. Let's go. Over here. Anyway, so this property is hindi pa siya talagang buo. So, yung lahat ng mga kailangang i-fix. So, aayusin ng ating seller. And over here, you have your toilets for the pool. And marami ka mga pathways leading to the garden spot, no? which is napakagandang feature ng property. And over here, let's go. You have your shower space right here. And this is a 5 feet a deep pool, by the way. Swimming pool, no? Napakalaki ng swimming pool. Alright? So over here, you have your spot wherein your starting point kung magda-dive kayo, no? Over this pool. And you have nice features right here. Plus, you have the view of the space, no? Nandito yung mga eggplant, may tomato, of course, the property is enclosed with fence, no? Pinapakita natin, no? That the whole property talaga namang alaga nila. And you have a lot of space. Just imagine that this property has a total land area of half hectare and selling in the market for 40 million pesos negotiable. So if you're interested, you can contact us today. Alright? So we will check out the other feature. Over my left side is you have your spot right here na pwede pa kayong maglagay pa na additional structure or additional building right here na pwede nyo paupahan kasi this one is facing the pool. Alright? So over here is your water pump. So ayusin nila yan. And so marami siyang mga structure na talagang kailangan i-fix. Alright. Okay. So we will check out the other house. Let's go, Benji. And to my right side, you have your nice and beautiful landscape space. No, you have your grotto area and you have your water elements right there. And this is your fruit bearing trees area. So you have your mango tree area for the chicken right here. And this is your driveway. So napakaganda ng space. And over here is your main entrance. So you have pine trees, you have calamansi, and meron kayong coconut tree. Of course, now follow me guys and let us explore the other structure right here. So at least nakikita nyo, so anything or everything attached to this property are included. Anyway, so this is beautiful space. So ang nagmamatter dito talaga is the land area. So you will see also na nakabakod na siya palibot. And right here, may additional structure na ginagawa. So it has 4 rooms right here. So ito aayusin nila bago ang turnover. And over here, another room with bathroom. So aayusin nila yan. And we will check out this one. The other house. So you have here nice and open layout spot, which is your living area. Beautiful wall tile cladding finish. Of course, you have a straight counter space right here and a built-in cabinetry underneath the counter. You have a lot of space overheads wherein pwede pa kayong maglagay ng mga built-in cabinets. Alright, so over here you have your 4 rooms and we will check out the 2 rooms. So by the way, to my left side is the first room right here. So you have a lot of double deck with ceiling fan, nice and beautiful ceiling design. And right here you have your counter space with shelves and a built-in cabinetry underneath the counter. So right here you have your bathroom. This is your water closet space with bidet. Alright. So napakadami mo pang pwedeng gawin kasi the total land area is 5,000. So this is a Torrance property. So once you say Torrance, this is a titled property. Alright, so to my left side, another bedroom. So you have a lot of double deck and a counter space with AC already, plus this bathroom. Now check this out. So you have your water closet space, your shower space, and a wash area with exhaust. Alright, but the beautiful feature of this property is over here. No, let's go, Benji. Right, so we're done over here. and steps down, leading to the beautiful feature of the house, which is your water park. Now let's go. See, ito talaga napakaganda dito sa isang property kasi you will welcome by these water elements. This is your nice koi pond space. And of course, lalo na kung may water fountain ka dito at lahat ng bisita mo ay mag-welcome sa'yo. Alright, so to give you the recap, so this property with a total land area of 5,000 square meters. This is a half-hectare property enclosed with perimeter fence. Location of this property is at 10 minutes away to Tagaytay City Market. Particularly, we are located here in Silang, Cavite. So from here down to Manila, it's around 1 hour and 20 minutes driving away via SLEX or Ono Valley to Tagaytay Road, or via Daang Hari or Alabang, or via Aguinaldo Highway. So if you are interested to buy and check out this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. Again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po, dagang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there. Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to